Welcome to Dear Teacher channel. Good morning, Hindu. Today I'll continue my lesson. I am teaching arithmetic progression of class 10. So I have completed first exercise. I am doing second exercise. I hope my sound is audible. So let us start. So only these are the problems left. So till ninth problem we have already done. Now we are going to do from 10th problem onwards in second exercise of arithmetic progression. So now let us understand, because very important sum. It came in so many times in the examination, board examination. The 17th term of AP exceeds 10th term. So 10th question, 17th term, I'll write in short. 17th term exceeds, that is, it's more. Okay, exceeds by A10 plus 7. That means 17th term is 7 more than 10th term, or A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. Both ways you can have it, and find the common difference. He did not ask anything, he just asked find the common difference, right? So let us put the formula. I will write in short. You have to put the formula. A to the power of n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. This is the formula you have to write here. So now I will write a plus 16d is equal to a plus 9d plus 7. You take all these things this side, both sides actually a get cancelled, and 16d minus 9d, it is equal to 7d is equal to 7, and d is equal to 7 upon 7 is equal to 1. Though it is given as a problem, you may be getting this as an MCQ question also. Okay, because all these small questions, 2 marks questions, 1 mark questions, there is a chance of getting into MCQ questions. Okay, I am telling you, MCQs will play a major role in getting your marks. आपको ज़्यादा मार्क्स चाहिए, MCQs करना ही है. ओके, MCQs करना ही है. क्यों बोले तो MCQs 20 मार्क्स है, सो वो डोमिनेट करेंगे आपका स्कोर, इसीलिए MCQs आर वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. सो नाउ अभी 10 सम हो गया है. लेट अस गो टू 11th क्वेश्चन. ఎవరన్నా వచ్చారా బయట? నీకు వేరే చోట పని ఉంటే వెళ్ళిపో, పర్వాలేదు, ఇక్కడికి వేళ తొడవక్కలేదులే. నీకు చాలా పనులు ఉన్నాయి కదా. సరే, 11th क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे अभी. मैं आज से थोड़ा बाइलिंगुअल बात करता हूँ, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी दोनों से मैं क्लास ले लेता हूँ. सो मेरा हिंदी तेलुगु हिंदी है. आई एम ए तेलुगु पर्सन. मेरा हिंदी तेलुगु हिंदी जैसा रहता है, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव ए फन विथ माय हिंदी. सो let us have which term of AP, which term of 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on is 132. वेरी गुड. सो ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन हमने पहले भी किया है, अभी भी करेंगे. सो अभी ये तो AP हो गया है, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. आई विल स्पीक लिटिल हिंदी, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. तुमको हिंदी आ जाएंगे. हाँ. सो अभी इसमें से हम पहला ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ये पहला जो फर्स्ट टर्म है वो ये हो जाता है. देन कॉमन डिफरेंस इज D. D is equal to 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. So once we get A and D, you can do any question in arithmetic progression. Okay, any question in arithmetic progression. So now what happened to this 132? It is looking like 131. That is 132. That is last term. So how many terms are there? We don't know. Let it be an. So let an is equal to 132. Because n we don't know. Which term we don't know. Which term means either 20th term or 10th term or whatever. So which term we don't know. That's why we kept n. So our target is to find out n. So formula I have already given there. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 132. Now substitute so then A value already 3 hai, n minus 1, D value is 12. You replace the values with AD with 3 and 12. Now simplify it. So 3 plus 12n minus 12 is equal to 132. So 3 minus ये दोनों simplify करना है, numbers है, it will become minus 9, it will go that side, it will become plus 9. So then 12n is equal to 132 plus 9, 141. So 141, 132, if it goes that side, so then how much? 141, na? N is equal to 141, 141 by 12. It is not divisible. It is not divisible. It should be divisible, na? So we got it is not divisible. So somewhere we have done mistake. You start from the beginning, whether you have copied the question correctly or not. Yeah. So which term of AP will be 132 more than 54th term? No, 132. So our question did not complete it. We have read question completely wrong. So हम ये पूरा रब करना ही है. क्यों बोले तो हम क्वेश्चन बराबर पढ़ाई नहीं किया. Which term will be 132 more than 50th term? Okay. So an is equal to given A 54 plus 132. This is the thing given. Okay. Which term will be 132 more than 54th term? So it's very very important. मैंने भी ऐसा पूरा पढ़ाई नहीं किया. 132. So which term will be 132 more than 54th term? That 54 plus 54th term plus 132 is equal to the required term. Now अभी इसमें substitute करेंगे. So A plus n minus 1 into D, okay, is equal to A plus 54 means 53D plus 132. Both sides A's will get cancelled. Okay. So D is how much? 12. So n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 53 into 12 plus 132. So 12n minus 12 is equal to 3 12 are 36, 5 12 are 60, 63 plus 132. So 63, 636, 132, and this minus 12 will become plus 12. So 0, okay. So it is equal to 12n is equal to 780, and n is equal to 780 divided by 12 is equal to 65. Therefore 65th term is therefore 65th term is the required term. So कभी कभी ऐसा ही होता है, हम प्रॉब्लम बराबर पढ़ाई नहीं किए तो गलती आ जाएंगे. So you have to be very careful when you are reading the question, okay, because we have done the same type of question previously, that's why we went into that. Mayuresh, good morning. So अभी हम 12th question में जाएंगे, right? So 12th question. Two APs have same common difference. Here two APs are given. Two APs have same common difference, and the difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between 1000th term? Very tricky question. If you read it 2, 3, 4 times, you will understand. Okay, two APs. Okay, so here AP1 and here AP2. There are two APs, and they have the same common difference. Here A is equal to something, here D is equal to D, here also D2 is equal to D. D1 is a common difference of AP, D2 is the common difference of, I'll write properly, D2 is equal to D and D1 is equal to D. Common difference is same. Okay. So then let us see A is equal to, here he has not given, A is equal to here A1 and here A is equal to A2. He did not speak about first term. So then here and their difference between 100th term, that means A100 minus, here let us find out, either A100 is equal to A1 plus 99D. So here A100 is equal to A2 plus 99D, and their difference is equal to these two difference. Say this is 1 and this is 2. Difference is equal to, we don't know which one is bigger. So A2 plus 99D minus A1 minus 99D is equal to, how much is given? 100. So here 99D will get cancelled. A2 minus A1 is equal to 100. This is a third equation. Okay. Now 1000 term. Here 1000 term, A1000 of first one. We are doing second one minus A1000 of first AP is equal to how much? A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus 999D. So cancel A1 minus A2. This is nothing but 100. So therefore the difference between 1000th term is also 100. Exam lo idi ichchadu kada, 1000 bolu 500 kuda adagachu. So this is one of the logical question. So let me go to another question. Okay. Mayuresh, I hope you are in the line, in online. Can you tell me which chapter is going on in your school? Let me just know what chapter is going on in the school, in your school. Even Hindu also. Please, what chapter is going on in your school? If you tell me, then I could help you. So let us see 13th question. 13th question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit number? 3-digit number divisible by 7. So 100, it starts from 100. What is the first number divisible by 7? 101. It won't be divisible. 105, I think. 105 divisible by 7. 7 तो डिवाइड है, इसमें 7 से डिवाइड करो. 105. This will be the 105 will be the first number. So the numbers the 3-digit number divisible by 7. It starts from 105. 105, no? So 105 is Prajakta Chaudhary. Good morning. One more Tao ki kahani. Good morning. So 105 plus 105 plus 7. 112, 112 plus 7, 119, and so on. Last number, 1000 is the 4-digit number, na? Last number find out karo. 999. Is it divisible by 7? 7, 29, no. Okay, 999, no. 998, 7. 29, 18, no. 7, 28, 4, I think. So this will be 1, 29, 7, 28, 14, 172. Okay. So 994. So like this you have to find out first term and the last term. So first term and last term. So it is like a previous question. So we don't know. He asked how many terms are there between 3-digit numbers. Total 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. So abhi first term is there, last term is there, common difference is there. So A is equal to 105 and D is equal to 112 minus I, it is 7, and the last term An is equal to 994. Now let us substitute in this. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 994. So A is equal to 105, n minus 1 into D is equal to 7, which is equal to 994. Right? Send 105 to that side. 7n minus 7 is equal to 994 minus 105. So 14 minus 5, 9, 8 minus 0, 8, 9 minus 1, 8. So now send 7 also to that side. 889 plus 7, which is equal to 896. N is equal to 896 by 7. Okay. 7, 19, 2014, 56 okay, 128. So there are 128. How it will become 128? Yes, 128 terms which are divisible by 7. So, this is how, because very very important question. Okosari 7 ichadu kada, 3 istadu, 4 may be given, 5 may be given. So, here 3 digits are given, sometimes 2 digits will be there. Suppose in this place if it is 2 digit, what is the first number? 14 is the first number, 14 etc., 14, 21 and so on. Last number 98. So, this is 2 digit number. So, sometimes this 3 digits may become 2 digits, like whatever, right? So, very very important question. So, there are 128 terms, 3 digit numbers which are divisible by 7. So, now I think I hope you have understood how these things are going on. Now, abhi 3 digit number divisible by 7. Now, multiples of 4 lies between 10 and this is question number 14. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. So, what is the first multiple of after 10? 12. Yeah, 12. So, next multiple 16. We are writing, we have to write multiples of 4. Next multiple 20 and so on. What is the last multiple of 4 before 250? 250, 249, 248, 248. So, 248. So, these are the multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. These are the multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. So, then A is equal to 12 and D is equal to 4 and AN is equal to 248. Put AN formula, A plus n minus 1 into D, and then you will be getting n, and those many multiples are there between 10 and 250. So, this is how. Let me explain 15th question also. I am not completing this question, I want you to do it. Okay. AN is equal to 248 and put the values A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 248. A is 12, n we don't know, D is 4 which is equal to 248. So, 12 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 248. So, 4n is equal to 248. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 goes that side, minus 8, 240. So, n is equal to 60. Therefore, there are 60 multiples between 10 and 250. Okay. So, this is how you have to tackle this question. Let me go to 15th question. So, with this question I will stop this exercise, remaining questions you try to do by yourself. 15th question I will finish off, and then tomorrow I will be giving you the last concept of arithmetic progressions, last concept. Okay. What value of, for what value of n, nth terms of two APs are equal? There are two APs, question number 15. This is AP1 and this is AP2. So, 63, 65, 67 and goes on. This is first AP. Second AP is, can you read out? 3, 10, 17 and so on. Okay. So, nth terms nth terms are equal. What value of n? The nth terms are equal. So given nth terms are equal, before that a, let us say a is equal to 63 and d is equal to 65 minus 63. How much? 2. So you find out an. An is equal to 63 plus n minus 1 into b. So 63 plus in the place of d I will write 2. So 2n minus 2. So 2n plus 63 minus 2, 61. Okay. So here a1 is how much? An is how much? 3 plus n minus 1 into a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. So 7. So 3 plus 7n minus 7 is equal to 7n minus 4. And these two things are equal. Given nth terms are equal. That means 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. So 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. So minus 5n is equal to minus 65, n is equal to 13. So at n is equal to 13, both nth terms are equal. Okay. So here nth terms are equal now, question may be changed in the place of n any term. Okay. So this is what I wanted to complete it. Still in the next question 4 problems are there and 4 plus this 16th question, 5 questions are there. 5 questions I am leaving it for you. So I will be teaching the last concept, that is also very very important, sum of n terms. Okay. So for today I will close the online class. Have a nice day. See you in my next online class. Bye bye.